Right, example 8, a 0.5 mole ideal gas is filled in a 0.5 cubic meter container at 30 degrees Celsius. So the gas is isothermally compressed to a volume of 0.3 cubic meter, then the gas expands isobarically to its original volume. So we have to sketch a PV diagram. So given is the number of mole, and then we have V1 is 0.5 cubic meter, and then the initial temperature is 30 degrees Celsius plus 273.15, you'll get 303.15 Kelvin. And then also the second volume, which is 0.3 cubic meter. So initially we have P1, V1, T1, and then it is compressed isothermally, becomes P2, V2. T2 is equal to T1 lah, because it is an isothermal process, and then it undergoes an isobaric expansion. So isobaric meaning the pressure is gonna be equal to the previous pressure, and then isobaric expansion, so V3 to its original volume, V1 lah, and then we have T3. Okay, so for the isothermal compression, we can find P1 using the ideal gas equation. So P1 is equal to 2.52 kilopascal, and then we can also calculate for isothermal expansion. So P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 untuk cari P2, which is equal to 4.2 kilopascal. This is also known as Boyle's law lah. Okay, and then for the isobaric expansion, we have to calculate T3, so we can use V2 T2, V3 T3, so you'll get T3 to be equal to 505.15 Kelvin. Betul ka 0.15 ha? Let me try to calculate this first. So you'll get 0.5 divided by 0.3 times 303.15, 505.25, sorry, 25 Kelvin. Okay, so now we can draw the graph. So this is 1.5. Okay, so we have the graph, pressure against volume. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw the line untuk the temperature. Boleh lah, gitu lah. Okay, so we have, this is in kilopascal, and then this is in cubic meter lah. Okay, so we have, first it starts at a volume of 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 is somewhere here lah kanan. Okay, situ lah. And then this is at a pressure of 2.52, and then it goes to P2 4.2. Kejap, sorry. Untuk di sini dulu T1. Okay, T1, and then this is T3 lah. Cepat, this is T1, this is T3, and then it goes here. Okay, this is volume there. Okay, let's label the volume. So this is 4.2, this is 2.52, and then this is 0.3, this is 0.5. Okay, now we can draw the line lah. Okay, so first it undergoes an isothermal process. Okay, after that it undergoes an isobaric punya process. Okay, so macam tu je lah. This is initial, this is number 2, this is final, number 3. Okay, so you can also label them. So this is isothermal, this is isobaric. Okay, Alright, so that is your PV diagram for these two thermodynamic processes. Okay, and then we have to calculate the work done. So the work done is work 1 2 plus work for the whole process 1 2 3 is 1 2 plus work at 1 3, process 1 3. Okay, so work done for isothermal compression is nRT1 ln V2 over V1. And then untuk isobaric expansion, it is P2 V3 minus V2. Okay, so that is the formula. Then you just have to calculate them. So you should get negative 643 plus 840. Total is 197 joule as the total work done lah. Okay, right, so that is the solution for example number 8.